going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. As you guys saw in the last video, tried going out to the track, and unfortunately the weather wasn't great, and as you guys can see, it's still pretty rainy. Hopefully we did get a rain check and we'll be able to go back again pretty soon. But on the way back, I noticed something pretty off and not really comforting in the steering. As I would turn to the right, every single time I would move to the right, I would hear a clicking noise. And I recorded it on my phone, and I'll actually put a video right about now showing you guys that sound it was making. And it was only doing it to the right, and so like everything else now with social media, I went on Facebook really quick or one of the groups and posted the video, and I got some good feedback as to what it could possibly be. So today I'm going to be checking out under the car, looking at the steering rack and the pin and making sure everything is tight and tightened up. And that is right now the big culprit that we believe is going to be the issue, but it might also be something in the steering wheel itself. I did go through and replace that steering wheel a while back, so there might be something loose that's clicking. But for now, we're gonna move the car, get it in position to be able to jack it up, and check under the steering rack and see that if there's anything loose, and if it is, tighten it back up and hopefully fix the problem. So let's go ahead and we'll move the car. Alright guys, so if you can kind of, not sure if you can see, but I believe this is the culprit here. This has come loose. I can't see unless this joint here, but unfortunately it only does it when I use the steering wheel, because if I do to the right here, I don't see anything. But I mean, you guys see that little gap there. I don't know that I feel like it might need to get a little more tight in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that, and hopefully that fixes my issues. Well guys, I went ahead and tightened up that bolt that you see there, and I think I fixed it. I think the problem is solved. So now, as you can see, left doesn't make a noise and no noise going right. Before, it didn't matter where you went, click, it would clink, 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 clink. And we're solid. We're good to go. Well guys, that was really easy. All you need to do, if you guys have some kind of clunking going on in the wheel, whether it's to one side or the other, is check that screw joint. Mine looked and appeared to be tight, but I guess it was just loose enough that it didn't really it grabbed tight enough. And so just a few more wrenches on it's a 10mm bolt, so just a nice little ratchet, and tighten it up quite a bit, and we're good to go. I would love to test drive it, but as you guys can see, it is just raining, so that's not gonna happen. But just testing it here seemed to be just great. I am gonna go ahead and take this car to get an alignment. It hasn't had one in a long time, and I think, especially with these new wheels and tires, I want to go ahead and make sure everything's aligned properly. Maybe even get a slight little camber in the rear just so that I can eliminate some of the rubbing. And also since you are messing with the steering rack, you want to make sure everything's straight and your steering wheel is not sideways. So it's gonna get in alignment. I wish this was actually maybe a little bit more exciting, but I guess now you guys know. Really quick, easy to do. If you guys start hearing something, you know, don't have to panic or go to a mechanic or anything like that. You guys can do it yourselves. Typically, you guys will see that happen if you install some long tube headers or anything like that, or where the engine has to come out. You might remove that joint to give yourself more clearance and more space. So double check that. Like I said, very easy. I'm glad that everything's going pretty smoothly so far. Just waiting to go back to the track. Now, I am about to get to 100 subscribers, and I mean, it might not seem like a lot, but to me, it is. It's a big deal. You know, it's like a little milestone. I had originally set that goal to reach 100 by the end of the year, and I mean, it's barely, you know, going to be October, and we're already getting really close. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this video helps some of you guys out there if you have any issues with this kind of stuff. Please like, comment, subscribe. Have a great time. Enjoy yourselves. Have a great day. And if you have an issue, you have something going on with your car, YouTube is a great place to go check things out. So have a good one, guys.